Morning everyone, and welcome to today's trading analysis on the 21st of December 2021. Because it is the 21st of December, this will be my last stream for the year. I also have to take a holiday, so I'm going to try and see if I can do analysis that will hopefully last us for about a week or two, and then we can have a look. So let's just jump straight into the Bitcoin chart. On the weekly chart, you can see that this is a nice candle forming. It's still a red 6, so the momentum is still to the downside. The stochastic is at the bottom, which potentially could give us a week or two of more upside. The negative is that we are still under the 21 moving average, and we really want to break 51,500 to break and close above the 51,500 in order to become bullish again. On the daily chart, this is the most positive thing I've seen in a while. You can see that found support on the 200-day moving average. It started forming a downward sloping wedge and is now, right now as we speak, starting to break out. This is great. You can also see a divergence forming where there were higher lows on the RSI with lower lows on the price action, and that was quite positive. A target for this could easily be up back into the resistance here, $55,000. But as I said, we need to break 51 to go over the 21 moving average and close the week on that. I do think that there's enough shorts at the moment, people going short, for a short squeeze to happen. This will mean the price will blast past this 51,000 if that happens. You can see that your buy signal on the over leveraged shorts have happened here on the 9th of December already, or sorry, on the 5th of December. So we are in a good place for some upside on that front. XRP is in exactly the same position, higher lows on the weekly scale with lower lows on the RSI. Also big wicks to the bottom and trading below the 21 moving average with a stochastic at the bottom. On the daily scale, you can see we've had our 3 buy signals where every time the RSI went oversold on a daily scale, that ended up being a buy signal. If you were lucky to have bought down in this range, just to give you an idea, you would have already been up something like 30%. So it is quite a good place. You can see that XRP is struggling with the 200-day moving average, and we want to really break through that. On the 4-hour chart, you can see that there's some sort of a rising channel forming, which is the 200-day moving average as the resistance with the price making high lows, and a breakout of that would probably hit us up to $1.30. XRP versus Bitcoin, it looks like XRP is finally starting to get some life and moving a little bit faster than Bitcoin, but not by much yet. The stock market has had 3 horrendous days in a row now. I think it's on the back of the Fed's news. We can see that it has found support in the support box that I had, and also it's still making higher lows and possibly starting to make some sort of ascending triangle. And if that's the case, you can then see some wind up here and a breakout to the upside. The dollar is still the one that is causing all the headaches. You can see that the dollar is consolidating towards the resistance zone here, and the target is still 100 on the Dixie. If that is the case, it will cause further pressure on crypto, so hopefully the opposite would happen for now, and the dollar would still, as I have been asking for, pull back to this neckline area before it pushes out. If that's the case, then this will hopefully give us that last little bit for the bull run. But right now, you can see it's making higher lows with lower lows on the RSI, and the probability of the dollar going to 100 straight from here is actually pretty good. So we will have to see how that plays out. All in all, I think there is some bullish price action happening. If you look on the daily Bitcoin chart, breaking out of this wedge could possibly bring us back to our resistance zones. And if that is the case, we would have a week or two of upside, and hopefully the next 2 weeks whilst we're on holiday, it will be a positive few days, and we wouldn't have to see a bloodbath like we saw in the beginning of December. Happy holidays, everyone, and speak to you in the new year. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.